Hey y'all, so I got everything curled and I cut my hair myself and I color it at home. I use a wonderful product called Madison Reed. It is a monthly subscription, but I really like it. I bought all the accessories and I know my money will go further if I do my hair at home. So it's kind of sticking out right now, so I'm going to use a texturizing spray. So this is just one do-it-yourself tip, my DIY stuff. I love less house, more home, jam up and jelly tight, and I love to do everything from home. Only then does it make it that much more special when you go on a holiday or go out to dinner, as you're not doing it all the time. You really can make a nice spa for yourself at home. You can make a nice romantic escapade at home. And you can definitely do your own hair at home. So my hair's kind of sticking out, but trust me, with the heat today, it's gonna fall a little bit. So this is a must-have for curly hair. This is a Kenra Curl Glaze Mousse, Numero 13, number 13. Highly recommended. Design me. Okay, I want to talk very plainly to you all as someone who has been involved in what is now, quote, the prepper lifestyle. You know, I'm really not worried about stacking up more ammo than what Fort Knox has gold in it. I'm definitely going to have this dry texturizing spray. If the supply chain collapses, I've got your dippity-doo, guaranteed. Yep, I'm that girl. I buy Aquanet on surplus. I only have one can left. I'm past my Aquanet days. That's my idea of survival. Yes, beauty supplies. Hygiene supplies, soap, sanitizer, paper, feminine hygiene. Whoo! I'm a germicidal maniac, that's right. So just pinned it up, give it a little style, keep it out of my face. It's just one idea on how to wear your little flapper bob there. And thank you for tuning in. Visit me at HeidiDutyTime.com. Remember, when it's time to take care of ourselves and others, it is always Heidi Duty Time.